Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use attachments in Smartsheet. This is a really useful feature when you need to keep all your project files, documents, or resources linked directly to specific tasks or rows, making everything easily accessible in one place. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where you can see all your sheets and projects. On the homepage, you'll need to select the sheet or project where you want to attach a file. Click on it to open it up. This could be any sheet you're currently working on, whether it's a project tracker, a task list, or a resource management sheet. Next, locate and select the specific row where you want to attach your file. This is important because attachments in Smartsheet are tied to individual rows, allowing you to keep related documents organized right where they're most relevant. Now, look near the row number on the left side of your sheet. You should see a small attachment icon there. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. Simply look up at the top menu bar and click on the attachment icon, which you'll find positioned near the Forms option. This will open up the attachment functionality for that particular row. Once you've clicked on the attachment icon, you'll see an option that says Add. Click on that, and you'll be presented with two different methods for attaching files. You can either upload a file directly from your computer, or you can attach a file through a URL if it's hosted online somewhere. For this example, let's go with Upload a File. Click on that option and a file browser window will open up. Navigate through your folders and choose the file you want to attach. This could be a PDF, an image, a spreadsheet, or any other document type that's relevant to your project. Once you've selected it, confirm your choice and the file will begin uploading. After the upload completes, take a look back at your row. You'll now notice that near the row number, there's a visible attachment icon. This icon serves as a helpful indicator that this particular row has a file attached to it, making it easy to quickly identify which rows contain supporting documents without having to click through each one. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file to a row in Smartsheet, keeping your project documentation organized and accessible right where you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.